In the video, I'm going to talk about engineering, the history, and etc. and chemical engineering. I'm studying chemical engineering, so we are going to talk about applications and a little bit of the history. Okay, engineering is the application of knowledge in the form of science, mathematics, and empiric evidence to the innovation, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of structured machines, material, device, system, process, and organization. The discipline of engineering encompasses a broad range of more specifically fields of engineering, each with a more specific emphasis on a particular area, or applies mathematics, applied science, and types of applications. Now I'm going to talk about the history of the engineering. Engineering has existed since ancient times when human devised inventions such as the wheel, lever, wheel, and pulley. Ancient area, the pyramids in Egypt, the Acropolis, the Roman aqueducts, Teotihuacan, among many others, stand as a testament to the ingenuity and skill of ancient civil and military engineers. Other monuments no longer standing, such as the Hanging Gardens of Babylon and the Pharaohs of Alexandria, were important engineering achievements of their times and were considered among the seven wonders of the ancient world. The modern area, the science of classic mechanics, something called Newtonian mechanics, form the science basic of much of modern engineering. With the rise of engineering as the professional in the 18th century, the term became more narrowly applied to the fields in which mathematics and science were applied to these words. Similarly, in addition to military and civil engineering, the fields then known as the mechanics art became incorporated into engineering. Chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that uses principles of chemistry, physics, mathematics, and economics to efficiently use, produce, transfer, and transport chemicals, materials, and energy. A chemical engineer designs large-scale processes that cover chemical, raw material, living cells, microorganisms, and energy into the useful forms and products. Now a little bit history about chemical engineering. Chemical engineering emerged upon the development of units operation, a fundamental concept of the discipline of chemical engineering. Most authors agree that Davis invented the concept of unit operation, if not substantially developed it. He gave a series of lectures on unit operation at the Manchester Technical School in 1818, considered to be one of the earliest such about chemical engineering. 3 years before Davis lectured, Henry Edward Armstrong through a degree course in chemical engineering at the City and Guilds of London Institute. Armstrong course failed simply because its grades were not especially attractive to the employees. Employees of the time would have rather hired chemistry and mechanical engineering. Courses in chemical engineering offered by Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the United States, Owens College in Manchester, England, and University College London suffered under similar circumstances. Now I'm going to talk about some areas of the chemical engineering. Plan, design, and construction. Chemical engineering design concerns the creation of plans, specification, economic analysis, from pilot plants, new plants, or plant modification, design energy offer work in a consulting role, design plans to the meet clients needs. Design is limited by a number of factors, including funding and safety stand. There are constraints dictate a plan's choice of process material and equipment. Application and practice. Chemical engineering development economic ways of using materials and energy. Chemical engineering use chemistry and engineering to turn raw materials into useful products such as medicine, petrochemicals, and plastic on large scale. Industry century. There are also involved in waste management and research. Both apply and research facets could make extensive use of computers. Thank you for your attention. And this is about the, the evolution of engineering and chemical engineering.